Welcome back. My name is Flo. I'm a professional artist from Germany and today I'm painting this custom garage. Last summer I just painted the other side of the garage, and this year the client just asked if I could paint this side of the garage. But before I just actually start painting, I need to clean the wall and prime the wall and then start painting. So let's do this. It's day number 2 and it was raining here in the morning. Welcome to Germany in October, and I just have to dry the wall and then immediately start with my first lines. First lines are done and now it's time to add a little bit of color. Thanks to Montana for not sponsoring this video. I just bought all the cans by myself. So I just have a few of them and now starting to add the colors. Until this point I just used a single cap, which is the level 5 by Montana. Well, after I painted the entire sky background with only using the fat cap, I just use now the level 1 cap to redefine the line of the mountain. I just love to paint in the sunlight, but what I don't love is when the sun just strikes sideways through the wall and you actually can't see anything because of the structure of the wall. Good old Germany. We don't like rain and we don't like sunshine. No, we like sunshine. Big shout out to my man Zine1 who just gave me his sticker for my spray can box. Thank you, buddy. This is it for today. I catch you tomorrow. Refreshed. A new day, a new beginning, and there is surprisingly a little change inside the painting. Actually, the water, like the ocean, was planned to be just like still water, and the client just asked if I can do a breaking wave. So I just have grabbed some different colors for the wave out of my storage, and let's see if I can do a wave freestyle on the wall. best moment when I'm painting and the client just brings me a cup of coffee. I just love it. What's your favorite drink when you paint? Let me know in the comment section. Well, the idea of painting the entire garage is like painting a landscape from daylight into blending into a sunset landscape. So it's very tricky to just represent a landscape which has just this transition from daylight into afternoon mood. So it's very hard for me to choose the right colors and pick the right cans for my landscape painting, but I'm trying to do my best, so let's go on with the painting footage.
What is this?
Yes, you legends, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Here is the final painting. I just want to say thanks for watching, and please make sure to smash that like button, and I'm trying to catch you in the next one.